Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the App Store country on your iPhone or iPad. This is really useful in situations where you have moved to a new country or a region. Do note, before you change your App Store country, you need to make sure you don't have any stored credit left on your iCloud account and you don't have any active subscriptions. So, to change the App Store country, you need to open up your settings. Then tap on your iCloud account at the top. Next, tap on Media and Purchases. Then tap on View Account. Now on this page, tap on Country and Region. Then tap on Change Country or Region. If you don't see this option, Change Country or Region, that means you have some stored credit left on your iCloud account or you have an active subscription. From here, choose a country or region you have moved to, and then you can start purchasing apps according to the country's currency. And that is how to change the App Store country or region on your iPhone or iPad. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.